If you are suffering from bipolar disorder, know that you are not alone. More than 2 million Americans suffer from bipolar disorder, and integrative medicine really works. I have had the honor and privilege of working with hundreds of patients who've seen relief in their symptoms of bipolar disorder. And I want to spend the next couple of moments sharing some of my favorite stories with you today. Kelly is a 35-year-old female, and she came to my office carrying a diagnosis of bipolar disorder type 1. Her bipolar disorder was characterized by intense mood swings where she would have psychotic mania and pretty severe depression. She also noticed that she had very high sensitivity to noise and light and odors when she was cycling, and she had terrible migraines that could be triggered by noise and light and odors. Part of our treatment regimen included stabilizing her on her medications with the help of her psychiatrist. We also balanced her diet. We looked at her lifestyle because she wanted to get healthy enough to have a baby. And we also prescribed a homeopathic remedy that can treat the types of symptoms that she had that were unique in her case of bipolar disorder. It's been 3 years since we've been working together, and I'm delighted to say that her bipolar disorder symptoms have gone into remission. She's tapered off of all of her medications, and she's starting to prepare for having a baby. It's been great working with her, and she feels absolutely fabulous. Justin is a 29-year-old male who has a diagnosis of bipolar disorder type 1. He flew to visit me for his initial consultation, and I've been following his case over the phone for the past year. I've worked with him and his psychiatrist throughout the last year to successfully and safely taper him down on his medications. He used to cycle every 7 days into psychotic mania and then down into pretty severe depression. However, after the first month of treatment, the psychosis was gone, and then after 3 months of treatment, he no longer had manic episodes, and as of the last month, he isn't depressed any longer. He's working a full-time job, he's off of his medications, and he feels fantastic. Kristen is another one of my favorite cases. She came to me referred by the Stanford Hospital because she had really severe throat pains and mono that didn't go away despite a lot of antiviral treatments. She also had severe symptoms of bipolar disorder type 2, where she was mostly depressed all of the time, and then had these small windows where she would come out of it. Her throat pain was the most unique symptom for her case, and so I prescribed a homeopathic remedy based on the type of pain that she had. After a month of treatment, her throat pain went away. She noticed her mood starting getting better, and she was noticing that even though people around her were getting the seasonal flu and the cold, she wasn't. It's been almost a year of working together, and she no longer has the throat symptoms. Her thyroid, which had been out of balance, is now normalized without medications, and her moods are much more stable. She's finding she's more productive at her job, and her relationship with her fiance is a lot better than it ever was. Feel like yourself again. Go to drnicolecane.com to learn more about how you can get started today.